Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, August 15th, 2013. And not much to talk about the next 7 days. We have high pressure that will be building in from the Ohio Valley over the next couple of days, and that's going to keep us dry through the weekend. And then looking ahead to early next week, there aren't a whole lot of weather systems that will be impacting the upper Great Lakes region, at least through the middle part of next week. We do expect temperatures to moderate, however, so after our recent cool spell, we should see temperatures return to something a little more typical for summertime, especially as we get into the weekend. Here's a look at the current weather map. We see our area of high pressure extending from parts of Iowa, Illinois, and Missouri eastward into the mid-Atlantic states. And that area of high pressure is going to work its way northward over the next couple of days and is going to remain pretty much in place across the upper Great Lakes region right through the weekend. Here's a look at the forecast weather map for Friday afternoon. We see that high pressure ridge pretty much centered over Wisconsin and Michigan. And that's going to keep us dry right on through at least Sunday and into the Monday afternoon. Maybe a chance to see some rain Monday night into early Tuesday, but that's still kind of iffy at this point. But the main thing is to see temperatures warm up over the next couple of days, with the readings expected to be well into the 80s by the time we get into Sunday. And we may even see some 90-degree readings as we head into the early and middle part of next week. Again, here's the forecast weather map for Saturday morning. We see the area of high pressure is still pretty much in control of our weather. Most of the active weather across the country will be down along the Gulf Coast and in the southeastern U.S., where some fairly heavy rainfall is expected, as shown on this map, with some pretty heavy rains expected from the eastern Gulf Coast into the southeast coast. But you see across Michigan, no rain is forecast right after the day on Sunday. So again, not much expected over the next few days. Temperatures will be cool once again tonight, with temperatures down into the 40s in many areas inland. Could see a few 30s once again in some of the typically low-lying colder locations. Otherwise, pretty much dry weather and a warming trend is expected through the weekend. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Friday morning.